In this video, we will talk about programming errors. Programming errors can be categorized into three types: syntax errors, runtime errors, and logic errors. Errors that are detected by the compiler are called syntax errors or compile errors. Syntax error result from errors in code construction, such as mistyping a keyword, omitting some necessary punctuation, or using an opening brace without a corresponding closing brace. These errors are usually easy to detect because the compiler tells you where they are and what caused them. In this program, we miswrite void, and here we miswrite quotation marks. This is a core syntax error. Since a single error will often display many lines of compile errors, it's a good practice to fix errors from the top line and work downward. Fixing errors that occur earlier in the program may also fix additional errors that occur later. Runtime errors that cause a program to terminate abnormally. They occur while the program is running if the environment detects an operation that is impossible to carry out. Input mistakes typically cause runtime errors. An input error occurs when the program is waiting for the user to enter a value, but the user enters a value that the program cannot handle. For example, if the program expects to read in a number, but instead the user enters a string, this causes data type errors to occur in the program. Another example for runtime errors is division by zero. This happens when the divisor is zero for integer divisions, like this example or this statement. System.out.println 1 divided by 0. This is a core runtime error. Logic errors occur when a program does not perform the way it was intended to. Like this statement, system.out.print 9 divided by 5 multiplied by 35 plus 32. You will get Fahrenheit 67 degrees, which is wrong. It should be 95.0. In Java, the division for integers is the quotient. So in Java, 9 divided by 5 is 1. To get the correct result, you need to use 9.0 divided by 5, which results in 1.8. This is the correct statement. 9.0 divided by 5, multiply 35 plus 32, which is 1.8, the correct result. In general, syntax errors are easy to find and easy to correct because the compiler gives indications as to where the errors come from and why they are wrong. Runtime errors are not difficult to find either, since the reasons and locations for the errors are displayed on the console when the program aborts. Finding logic errors, on the other hand, can be very challenging. Common errors like missing a closing brace, missing a semicolon, missing quotation marks for strings, and misspelling names are common errors for new programmers. Missing quotation marks, like this statement when we write system.out.println welcome to Java, and we here in the first quotation marks, in the end there is no quotation marks. To fix it, we must write quotation marks. And here to fix the syntax error, we should write void. And here this statement it's wrong because the divisor is 0. So we can change it by 2 and here put 0.0. And here we can correct this one, 0.0. And try to run program now and see if there is a, see there is no errors now. Welcome to Java 1.0 divided by 2 because it's a statement between quotation. It's just a text. Celsius 35 is Fahrenheit degrees 95.0, which is the correct result. In the end, this is the most common errors. Have a nice day and happy coding.